Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're looking at the Ninja Blast, a portable, cordless blender that claims to bring smoothie bar power to your gym bag. So, does it deliver? Let's talk about the good and the bad. If you live life on the move, this thing is made for you. The USB-C rechargeable battery, compact design, and 18-ounce blending cup make it easy to throw in your bag and blend anywhere, whether you're headed to the gym, the office, or your kitchen. It has one-button blending and a leak-proof zip lid, so no extra cups or cleanup. And the best part? It's surprisingly powerful. It blends frozen fruit, ice, and protein powder with no problem, way better than most portable blenders in this price range. Oh, and cleanup? Toss it in the dishwasher.
Done.
Now, let's keep it real. It's not built for everything. Thicker blends with greens, seeds, or nut butters may leave chunks behind. It automatically shuts off after 30 seconds, which works for quick blends, but limits your control. And since it's cordless, battery life can run out fast if you're blending every day, so keep the charging cable handy. So, is the Ninja Blast worth it? If you want a sleek, grab-and-go blender that's powerful enough for daily smoothies and protein shakes, the answer is yes. Just know its limits and you'll love it. You'll find the link in the video description, along with any limited time deals. I hope this helped, and remember, always do your own research before you buy. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles.